Hey our friends, in this video we're going to be building an ice cream cone. We're actually going to use this old video as reference. So open up your Minecraft world and let's get into it. We'll go back to the red table. This is where we're going to build our ice cream cone. If you haven't seen our last Minecraft video, we built this Yeti and this thing was so cool. These are all the blocks that you need. You need black concrete, yellow terracotta, orange terracotta, white wool, pink wool, white concrete, a skeleton head, and a white button. You're also going to need some more colorful blocks for the sprinkles at the end. We're going to first start off with the cone. In the middle, let's place one black concrete. On top of this, we'll do the yellow terracotta and then place black concrete on both sides. Next, on this layer, we're going to do 3 yellow terracotta, then just the black concrete. This black on the outside is actually a border around our ice cream cone. I'm just gonna flip over on this side so that we could see the awesome logo in the background. Now what we're gonna do one more layer on top of this, but this is gonna go 2 up like this. Then our next layer, we're gonna go all the way across and then place the black concrete on the outside for the border. And then with this layer, we're actually gonna go up 2 more on both sides and place the yellow all in the inside. So this should go 1, 1, then 2, and then 3. After this, we're going to do a full yellow layer, black on the outsides, cannot forget that. And then this is going to actually go up one more time, black, and then yellow all the way across. Oh, forgot that one. There we go. And then black on both sides again. So you guys can take a step back and compare it to your cone. Hopefully it looks similar to mine. This next layer is going to be a little different. We're going to go up 1 black, and then we're going to do 2 white wool, and then we're going to do 1 yellow, 3 white, another yellow, then 2 white, and then the black. This is actually the start of the ice cream, and we're going to do vanilla. But you could change the color of your ice cream to any color that you want. It could be brown for chocolate or pink for strawberry. Let's continue up with the white wool. We're going to do a full layer of white on top of this. Make sure we're on top of the border, and then we're going to just place black on the outside again as well. And then this next layer, we're going to do white wool, then actually do pink wool, then go back to the white and go all the way across, all the way till when we're right here, this last white block, and we'll place pink here again. This is for the cheeks. Look at that. Now we're going to go up 1 more with the black, and then we're going to do 2 white, and then this is going to be the start of the eye. We're going to just do 2 black right here, then 1 white wool, and then we're going to do 3 black concrete, and this is for the bottom of the mouth. 1 white, 2 black, 2 white, then 1 more black. Should look like this. Next, what we're going to do, we're actually going to place a black on top of this, because now we're going to start rounding it at the top to make it look more like the ice cream. Now we're going to place 1 white wool here. Then we're going to just do black concrete, black concrete. We're actually going to do the eyes at the end, so stay tuned for that. The eyes are going to be a little bit different. We're going to use the skeleton skull, but we're going to do it in a super cool way. Now we're going to do white wool, and then black concrete, white, black, white, black, black, white, white. Never mind, not this white. And then we're going to do black here. We got to make sure that whatever we do on this side is copied on that side, and vice versa. Now we're going to actually go up twice with the black on both sides, and then we're going to fill in this whole entire area with just white. This is going to be where the sprinkles are, but we're first going to just do it with white. Next layer, we're going to go up 1 on top of the white with the black. We're going to do the same on this side, and then just fill this all in. Oops. And then we're going to just do that 1 more time, like this, then fill it all in. Actually, we're going to do it another time. Go all the way in. And then this last one, oh, wait, we got to make sure that goes in too. That goes diagonal, this goes diagonal. And then lastly, on the top, we're just going to place all of this black. And there we go. We got our ice cream. This looks super bare bones. We don't have the eyes fully finished, and we don't have the sprinkles. And we also need to add some shading as well. Now we're going to build the eyes, and the eyes are going to actually be pretty cool. This is going to be a lot different. We're going to place our pale oak button in the corners of our eyes, the bottom left corner of our eyes. Now that's the start of the highlight. Now we want the big highlight in the eye, and if we just do, look at this. You can place white like this, like this, And I mean, you can see it, but it's just the white up against the white, and it's kind of hard to, like, I don't know, see the eyeball. So I kind of figured out how we're gonna do this. We're gonna break this. We're gonna actually place just some blocks like this so that we can go behind and place the skull right here. And then we're gonna cover up the skull face with this black concrete. Now look at this. If we break it, look at that. It's the highlight. It looks just like a highlight and it looks super good. I really like using the skeleton skull, but it actually only kind of looks good from the front angle. But if we come down here, you can tell that it is a skull in there. So if you want to just replace this with the white concrete and do the white concrete instead, that looks pretty good too. Also, if this is like a brown color, if you're using like the chocolate ice cream and stuff, this probably will stand out a lot better and look a lot better. But for right now, I do like the skull, so we're just gonna do a skull on both of these, place them like that, then place the black concrete behind it, and let's look at it. There we go. I really like the look of the eyes with these skulls. Next, let's add the shading, and then we're gonna do the sprinkles last. Right here, we're gonna just break this and go down here, and then do the same thing on this side. With the shading, we want to make the underside a little bit more darker, and this white concrete looks a little bit more darker than the white wool. This part, I'm gonna leave it just like this though. I actually don't really think I like it. Yeah, I don't really like it with that shadow right there. I think it looks better like this. Next, let's add a shadow to the cone. We're gonna go all the way down, and we're just gonna do this actually on the left side, and we're gonna use the orange terracotta and just replace all these blocks on the left side of the cone like this. It's looking so good right now. All we need to do is just the sprinkles. Now you can place the sprinkles in any way you want. I'm just gonna kind of throw them in here. We're gonna place this here. We'll just place this one over here. Maybe some purple up here. We could do red, maybe red right there. Maybe add another purple here. Let's do this like light blue right there. I think that's good. I'm pretty sure that's like all the sprinkles we really need. If you want to add more sprinkles, you can. And I think that's it. We are finished with our ice cream. It looks so cute, so adorable. I love it so much. I want to challenge you guys at home. If you have any drawings that you've done, you should try to turn them into Minecraft builds. You guys are so awesome. Be sure to like and subscribe. My channel is called Catch Me Up, and I do a bunch of different fun Minecraft videos on there. I know Minecraft's a video game, but I believe that Minecraft is also a form of art as well. You could be creative in Minecraft and use your imagination just like you do in drawing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye!